As it rained today, look at this. On this side, on this side, then here, on this side. Look at this. Again, this. There are on this side. You see how many flowers. These are so beautiful. They are falling down again. That's the road. There was a heavy rain today. It fell down. The trees fell down. And a lot of beautiful flowers are there. Look at this. Wow. Flowers, flowers, and flowers. You see how beautiful flowers. Everywhere flowers are falling. Falling and fail as well. I'll go to that side. This is too close. Huh. Right. To this side. Again, these flowers. Beautiful flowers. And they have a beautiful smell as well. I mean, flowers. If it rains, it is definitely, it smells very beautiful as well because of these flowers.